Okay, move day. First day of our trip. And I don't know about you guys, but every time I do a move day, I do a walk around on my rig. And honestly, guys, I'm from the aviation industry. These screws come loose, so I always check those. I do what's called a PMS, preventive maintenance service. And what that does basically is I get a visual inspection of my rig, and if anything jumps out, I'll address it, especially my running gear. And I'm not doing this detailed inspection where I'm spending a lot of time. I'm just walking around and I'm looking for something to jump out at me, something that doesn't look normal. Now, that is something that I learned in the military. We call them dailies, or preventative maintenance inspections. Just like this right here, I got a little seal coming out. I'll address that at the next site that we're at. Just put your hands on everything, make sure everything's secure, you got the straps on that you want. And that's all it is. You'd be surprised how easy it is to miss these little things, and all you have to do is jump down. No different than I'm looking at my gear over there, and honestly I'm just looking for something that's dropped down, or maybe something that stands out, and looking for my leaf springs to smile at me. So it is something that I do every time. Well, case in point, I forgot my grill sitting over here. I gotta put it. Okay, another one of the things I do is I'll turn on my trailer TPMS system and let it go ahead and start booting up, so I get an idea of my pressures and I need to fill them up. The truck has its own system, but I did put one on the left and rear back one also. And believe it or not, on this system they're within a pound of each other. So I'll give that a few minutes and I'll continue on. I open up all my outside storage doors and just give a quick look at my electrical compartment. And by having these doors open, honestly, it just makes you look inside. And if you store everything the same way every time, you pretty much are going to see if anything sticks out. Kind of like I just missed my grill that I used 2 nights ago, and now it's back in place. So it's just a quick method of double checking everything. And keep in mind, if you take your vehicle in and get it serviced like I did, tires rotated and balanced before this big trip, they let all the air out of the tires down to 70 because it is a more comfortable ride, but I need max air.